Hi, this is Peter. Many of you know that I'm a biochemist. I have a PhD in biochemistry, and that's why I value to critically assess the science that is available behind our products. And this week, a recent published article came to my attention. I'm looking sideways now when I mention it carefully. It was published on the 22nd of October 2025 in a journal called the Cancer Cell International, and the title of the study caught my attention because it says the potential role of cannabidiol, so CBD, in lung cancer therapy, a systematic review of preclinical and clinical evidence. Now, we all have heard that cannabinoids may assist in preventing cancer and treatment of cancer. And this study actually did a systematic review, and that means that they collected all different kind of studies that have used CBD, so only CBD, not the other cannabinoids, and looked at the effects it may have, on this case, on lung cancer. And lung cancer is a very important cancer form. It's very deadly, and a lot of people suffer from it. And they looked at, what can CBD do? So they compared different studies. There are not so many clinical studies, meaning that people with lung cancer got CBD administered and see how it affected their outcome, but some have been there. And this people has combined 19 different studies on different levels of intervention, and concluded a very interesting thing. They said basically, we think, and I'm going to read out the study results here again, the conclusion, and the conclusion is that CBD holds promise as an adjunct in lung cancer therapy, addressing key cancer hallmarks such as tumor growth, metastasis, and treatment resistance. And they say, while preclinical evidence is robust, clinical trials remain limited. So that's the truth. I mean, there's not much known yet, but when you look at preclinical results, that means results of CBD pure on cells, on cancer cells, on tumors, there's very interesting effects being observed. And they call it robust, which means that, they're convinced there's something happening. And what does it do? Well, CBD is shown to be increasing apoptosis. And apoptosis is killing cancer cells, actively killing cancer cells by intervening, for example, in natural killer cell activity. Our body has our own defense mechanism against tumor growth, and natural killer cells play an important role in that. And CBD tend to upregulate that, make them more effective in killing tumor cells of lung cancer. And also, it's seen that it has been helping in improving other therapies, so the normal therapies for lung cancer. They seem to improve the uptake of those pharmaceuticals to deal with the lung cancer in the more traditional way. So caution here is at place. It's very early research, but I find it interesting to see that more and more studies are combining other studies and come to the conclusions that yes, there is robust evidence, and hopefully we can reproduce that and show that in real large-scale clinical studies that it does have an effect. But I will be doing more and more of these scientific reviews of studies that I've seen in the literature. This is a very recent one, so it's quite promising.